For decades, air superiority was dictated by brute force, speed, altitude, and sheer numbers. Fighter jets were weapon systems that operated based on what their pilot could see and what their radar could capture. That era of air combat is officially over. The fifth generation of fighter technology is not merely an evolution, it is a revolution in stealth, sensor fusion, and digital warfare. This is the Joint Strike Fighter, the F-35. It is the most expensive, most scrutinized, and arguably the most capable fighter jet ever built. A machine designed not just to avoid detection, but to be the absolute commander of the digital battlespace. The path to the F-35 was forged by its pioneering predecessors. It starts with the concept of stealth, a tactical imperative proven by the F-117 Nighthawk, the world's first operational stealth attack aircraft. Its angular, almost alien design proved that radar invisibility was a devastating reality. This was followed by the colossal B-2 Spirit, a flying wing bomber that could penetrate the most sophisticated air defenses without ever leaving a radar footprint. These stealth platforms solidified their doctrine by taking out crucial, high-value targets, key command posts, and critical infrastructure in conflicts across the globe, from Afghanistan to Iraq. Their success established the singular truth that to dominate the air, you must first become invisible. The F-35 takes that stealth capability and fuses it with the speed, agility, and lethality of a supersonic fighter jet. The mission assigned to the conceptual engineers of the Joint Strike Fighter program was unprecedented: to create a single common platform that could be adapted into 3 distinct versions for the varied and often conflicting requirements of the United States Air Force, Navy, and Marine Corps. The engineers who led this visionary effort, minds like Paul Park, Mark Cousins, and Chris Ashworth, tackled what many considered an impossible challenge. They successfully managed to design a machine where all 3 variants, the conventional F-35A, the carrier-specific F-35's, and the vertical F-35B, share up to 80% common parts. This standardization is a massive strategic advantage, simplifying logistics, maintenance, and training across the entire Department of Defense. This unified approach is not just cost-effective, it represents the future of multinational military interoperability. The most daunting and technologically complex mandate was the development of the short takeoff and vertical landing capability for the F-35B variant, crucial for the U.S. Marine Corps and the Royal Navy. The older AV-8B Harrier, while a historical success, had a lift system that was simply not powerful enough to handle the weight, payload, and supersonic demands of a 5th-generation fighter. The solution was the revolutionary Rolls-Royce lift system, a true masterpiece of high-powered density engineering. This integrated system includes the massive F-135 turbofan engine, which has a rear nozzle that can swivel 90 degrees downward, redirecting the primary thrust. But the crucial innovation is the large counter-rotating lift fan located behind the cockpit. This fan, driven by a shaft connected directly to the main engine, directs a massive column of cool air downward, providing vital forward lift. Small vectoring nozzles called roll posts are strategically placed in the wings to provide essential lateral stability and control during the crucial hover phase. This ingenious integration provides an incredible 40,000 pounds of vertical thrust, a feat of power density that allows this heavy supersonic machine to hover and land with surgical precision, transforming it from a fighter jet into a stealth helicopter in seconds. The F-35 is engineered for 2 primary attributes: speed and stealth. It is a supersonic fighter, easily capable of achieving and sustaining speeds well over Mach 1.6. That is more than twice the speed of sound. But its true survival mechanism is its invisibility. The F-35 achieves its unprecedented stealth through a singular design commitment. All external threats must be eliminated. On conventional aircraft, weapons, missiles, and external fuel tanks are mounted outside on hardpoints. These external mounts dramatically increase the aircraft's radar cross-section, RCS, making it easily visible to enemy radar, and they create massive aerodynamic drag. Drag significantly reduces the aircraft's range and maximum speed. The F-35 solves this by carrying all of its primary, lethal payload internally within dedicated weapon bays. It carries the most lethal air-to-surface weapons available, giving it overwhelming firepower capability. This commitment to internal carriage does not compromise its ability to strike. It enables it. The weight of the F-35's internal payload and fuel capacity is a carefully guarded secret, but it is capable of dominating the air-to-ground mission, easily destroying protected command posts and strategic targets. Similarly, the F-35 carries all its fuel internally, eliminating the need for bulky external fuel tanks. This maintains its perfect stealth profile, reduces drag, and significantly increases its combat radius and time on target. The combination of low observability and speed allows the F-35 to penetrate the most heavily defended airspace without warning. The most radical aspect of the F-35 is not its airframe or its engine, but the information system that connects the aircraft to the pilot. This fighter is not just flown, it is commanded through an unprecedented digital interface. The aircraft is a massive array of sensors, constantly receiving and synthesizing data from friendly aircraft, ground troops, and enemy sources. The aircraft instantly identifies, tracks, and ranks threats, presenting the pilot with a clean, clear tactical picture. The pilot's role is no longer fighting the plane, it's managing the battlefield as a whole. The centerpiece of this integration is the Helmet-Mounted Display System, HMDS, a helmet of the newest generation that has replaced the traditional head-up display, HUD. All crucial information, airspeed, altitude, targeting data, threat warnings, is projected directly onto the pilot's visor. The most revolutionary element of this system is the Distributed Aperture System, DAS. The F-35 is ringed by 6 infrared cameras strategically placed around the fuselage. These cameras capture a seamless 360-degree spherical video image of the world outside the jet. This image is streamed directly to the pilot's helmet. If the pilot looks down at the floor of the cockpit, they do not see their feet. They see the ground directly beneath the aircraft. The plane is literally transparent to the pilot. The DAS effectively gives the pilot godlike situational awareness, allowing them to instantly see threats and targets without ever having to turn the aircraft. Due to the extreme complex demands of the F-35 flight environment, especially the high-G maneuvers and the complexities of the STOVL operations, pilots are trained to the physical limits of human endurance. They are required to study specialized breathing techniques. These techniques are critical for managing blood flow and oxygenation during high-stress flight, ensuring the pilot maintains consciousness during high-G turns. To fly this machine, the human body must be trained to the level of the machine itself. Mastering the F-35 requires more than just time in the air. The aircraft's complexity is such that a specialized high-fidelity simulator is a cornerstone of the training program. This immersive, data-driven training ensures the pilot is ready for anything the true battlefield can throw at them, allowing the aircraft's combat capability to be maximized from day one. This unrivaled capability, the ultimate fusion of man, machine, and information, comes with an equally unrivaled price tag. The total projected cost of the Joint Strike Fighter program is estimated to be around $200 billion. This staggering figure represents the cost of achieving absolute air dominance in the high-tech world. The F-35 is not just an investment in a fighter jet, it is an investment in information, stealth, and overwhelming tactical superiority, the necessary expensive currency of future warfare. We have dissected the systems that define the modern fight. The surgical infantry strike, the precision of urban engagement, the vanishing artillery salvo, and the invisible command of the sky. These machines represent billions of dollars and decades of relentless engineering. Their true purpose is not merely to destroy, it is to deter. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your support allows us to continue creating documentaries every week. For more military knowledge and documentaries, subscribe to our channel.